Breaking local news, the accident that could affect your...
We hear about forensics in the news almost every day. Complex and shocking crimes solved with the help of forensic investigators.
That could grow. All right, team, listen up. We need to do this project.
Here at BCIT, we offer the most comprehensive forensics program of its kind in Canada. For 20 years, we've trained students in the application of science to the law. Our graduates collect, preserve, and analyze evidence using legal standards and procedures to help combat crime in a landscape of new and emerging technology. BCIT offers 5 areas of forensic study. In the forensic science area, students apply the sciences including biology and chemistry to help solve crimes. Popular with investigators and future forensic scientists, this specialty deals with crime scene processing, major case investigation, and forensic biology and chemistry techniques. Graduates from this area go on to work as forensic scientists, coroners, crime scene investigators, and professional investigators. Forensic health sciences was developed in response to the need to bridge medical and legal aspects of investigations. Graduates master skills in forensic examination and the identification, protection, and collection of crucial evidence in the investigation of crimes and trauma. Cases may involve interpersonal violence, child and elder abuse, human trafficking, or death. From fraud to violence, computers play a significant role as a tool for planning and committing crimes. Digital forensics and cybersecurity at BCIT train students to collect, analyze, and preserve digital evidence from electronic devices. Students are also trained to prevent and investigate breaches of critical computer networks. With a staggering rise of cybercrime, digital forensic and cybersecurity experts are in high demand. Crime and intelligence analysis gives graduates the tools and skills needed to solve sophisticated crimes. Internship placements help students gain valuable experience using and developing crime analyst tools. Grads work as analysts, solving criminal cases ranging from fraud to terrorism. Lastly, BCIT offers forensic investigation of fraud and financial crime. Students gain knowledge in fraud and financial crime and the tools used to detect, analyze, and help victims of fraud. BCIT forensic grads work in a number of fast-paced technological fields that help make the world a safer place. With a range of options for study, leading-edge instrumentation, expert instructors, and techniques at the forefront of forensic science, BCIT is a leader in advanced forensics training for the next generation of investigators. Find out how you can make a difference. BCIT, Forensic Investigators for a Complex World.